Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a brief look at the GitHub's website. I'll be explaining to you guys how can you clone this repository locally, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, you'll open up your GitHub's profile right here and open up your repository. Here I have a article that kind of explains closely how it is done. So once you navigate to the main page of the repository, you'll click on the code type and then copy the URL for the repository, which is this one right here. So once you click on code, this one is the URL of your repository. Simply click on the copy sign right here and you'll be able to copy it to your clipboard. Then open up git bash, change the current working directory to the location where you want the clone directory. Type git clone, so right here, so git clone, and then paste the URL you copied earlier. Press enter to create your local clone, and it will look something like this. So once it's done, you will see it, and that is essentially the fastest way to clone your repository locally. Thank you for watching this video and for following along. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.